How's it going, guys? Anthony again from 1000hp Barra Shorty, and welcome to the Superior Engineering unboxing with my two little helpers here. We're gonna take all this stuff out. You can see it's already out, but we're gonna start from every single box, open it all up, explain what it is, and see what we're dealing with here. So this is for the Barra Shorty. So yeah, if you want to see this all unboxed, stay tuned, and let's get right into it. Here we go. We've got all the Superiors, eh?
Yeah, man.
And he's got the floppy one. Of course.
I didn't expect any of this.
Like watching two monkeys trying to open a banana.
Well, you got a razor?
Nah,
What's that? Fucking fillet knife.
I had my toolbox was next door.
Manska, where are you?
My toolbox was next door.
Yeah,
You wanna use
come
the
on in
hand
here.
you
We'll
found
do something, but fuck it, it's beautiful, mate, immaculate.
What do we got in here? Hyperflex radius arms.
the hybrid link, Superflex, we don't know, it's a mystery. Which one is it? Oh, we got some brown paper.
Bro, what's the...
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, brother.
Superior Engineering, eh?
I thought there was more, it's just one arm.
That's half of them, mate. Imagine this
Look
gold.
at that.
Imagine this gold.
That's some quality there.
It's heavy, eh?
It is, eh?
It's actually pretty heavy.
Yeah, you need the 1000. Just to move the components.
But that's...
If I had the 800 horsepower, I would have moved.
Do you have these on yours?
Yeah,
What, this?
that's what I have on mine.
Oh.
But this one's different. My ones, they finish here, and then I've got the caster plates to adjust the angle. But these go to the end because the caster's not really adjusted because it's only a 2-inch lift.
Yeah.
So it's really only replacing the factory arm and just sticker.
So it's more of a road car.
It's more of a road car, that's right.
This thing's
It's actually heavy.
Mate, that's...
Get that on your Jeeps, mate.
Oh, fuck it, mate.
And this what? This...
Sway bar.
So you drill them in, tap them?
Well, they're supposed to come drilled, but I don't know why they haven't this
Don't
time.
fuck it. Don't worry about sway
Anyway.
bars.
That's just a
Why do we need
quick
sway
run.
bars? We don't need sway bars.
I can see that for you, you don't need them.
No, we do need sway bars.
Well, you've got some sort of coil retainers here. They're different coil retainers, I haven't seen those before. The ones on my other patrol are just one strip, but now they've actually gone into a whole circle. Well, this is your re-chassis, what's that, coil tower brace.
Yeah, that's where you're bracing now.
For your hydraulic pump stops, because it's going to have a lot of force now, so you've got to put all this stuff on.
Now, so where's the plates for the bump stop?
They're in another box, I think, I don't know.
Alright, mate.
Full bolts, mate. Full bolts. So,
Fuck, that's crazy, eh?
this is what ties down your coil tower in the rear down. So when you have all that force, you can do it by welding as well, but this one you actually can tension it. So it depends how much load you have, whatever, you can tighten the bolt to tension it more.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this is for your bump stop. Screwing
We're in the air locker, boys.
Hang on.
I just found gold.
Oh, ARB air locker. Yeah, there's that one too.
Take it home, mate.
Now. Yeah, no, so this, I'm assuming, is going like that.
That's what all those bolts are for.
Yeah, but with the bolts. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Has to be. Yeah. Because that's additional, because that's the top of the
Does that
back.
mean we're going to have to drill a hole in the back too? Probably.
Why?
Because it's a coil tower there at the moment. So this is going to drill out the center of the coil tower.
Yeah, probably.
Ba 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 ba. That's what's going to be going.
It's good quality.
4-wheel drive burnouts.
Oh,
Baby stuff. Baby.
baby. For you that don't know that, what we've got to do is search up right on the Sand Sydney and you'll find out. Here's the prized possession that makes this car unique. Well, not really unique, but
At least you can put this on the side window when they're done. Just to show people.
Pro fender, mate. Here you go, some nice hydraulic bump stops. Look at that.
Let me see.
Have a look.
So is this going to help us?
This is when we launch it off a sand dune and go 20 meters in the air. This is what's going to help us not die. Do you reckon?
20 meters, he says.
Oh, well, we'll see.
I'll be waiting for the 20 meters. What's
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, these are your mounts for the remote resis.
So
Is that
Open it up? No, don't.
No, you don't need to.
You
So
should just, you
these
should want the
ones-
one that clips onto the side of the other shock, like my one.
Nah, you can't fit that on a patrol. Because the shock's in a narrow part next to the coil. I don't know.
These are your front or your back?
I think front. It's front, it's front.
Alright. But these you're gonna have to maybe get because of the
That's all your welding
the
ones.
bump stop wheels.
So, but now this might conflict with this.
Yeah.
Can I take one of these?
Superior.
What, they got weld on tags?
Superior engineering, mate.
No, you know what you do? Use that as the stencil. And then you just go over it with
Oh yeah.
Paint it. There you go.
That's it.
Before you know
That's
it,
it.
everything's superior.
Everything's superior.
Superior, superior. Hey, we'll do that on your car, mate.
Nah. Fox is better, mate. Yeah.
Move this out of the way. Move your little pink little drink here.
I like that shit, brother.
I know you do. More bolts. Let's not mix up the bolts because then we're gonna not know what bolts from what.
What do you reckon, Andreas?
Not bad.
Good size.
2 seconds in. A bit oily.
It is.
Oh, that's good. It's coming out of the fucking...
There you go, that's the big
that was
boys.
serious. That gold, paint that gold, bro. Straight up.
Hey, you know, I want to play my coils gold. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You want to be a poofter?
Yeah, this would be the driver's side. It'd be like this.
Yeah.
Spring there, bump stop here, the shock is here. That's the shock tower.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
So,
Nah, it goes on the outside like that, and your resi sits there.
yeah. So the rest sits here.
That's right. And the
then-
shock is here.
Alright. And the bump stop
We're
bar.
gonna have a problem.
Where's the... Yeah.
So this is
Okay.
gonna stick out. Take this off. This is gonna stick out like this.
Okay, here we go.
Ah, there we go. We found it. It's like what's that thing called? Pass the parcel. There's every layer. There's a new gift.
Okay, so...
Here we go. The other side.
We can weld that, but I'm just saying, yeah, so that plate now
Might not
is going to be a
be.
problem. We're going to have to
Make our own bracket.
do another spot because that's useless now.
Yeah.
That's why some things work with the other kits.
That's
but
right.
This is extreme stuff.
Not everyone gets that.
This is just the shock for a shock.
Basically.
This is the shock for shocks.
We're the Flatty Boys.
Welcome back. He's back.
The flag is
After
back.
his important business phone call, he's back.
Business is always important in
That's
there.
right.
Yeah.
It's like I'm kidding the candy store, mate.
Yeah.
Superior approach under everything.
What's in here, mate? What's in here? Dropout cones for the rear. These are weld-on ones, but you can get bolt-in ones. I have them on other patrol, but these are the
they've got
welding.
bloody spider webs on them. Look, spider
Mate,
webs,
they've
mate.
been sitting, mate.
They've been sitting for a while. Superior, come on.
Hang on, so these are what, for rear or front?
For the rear, in the center of the coils, but that may now not work because we have the hydro bumps.
Bumps. So that's out of the question. Because these plates...
Your hydro bumps.
Have you got these plates on yours?
No.
No. So there, these plates, I can't remember seeing these on another one.
No.
These drill outs. So these are an addition for this.
That's it. So we have these useless. So if anyone wants to buy some dropout cones, hit me up.
Couple of cones.
Cones, yeah, dog.
A couple of brake lines as well. We've got everything. We've even got the ones from the calipers into the diffs, and then the actual extended ones as well. However, I don't know if these are going to work now because now I've got GU diffs that have ABS brakes,
Yeah.
and they're two separate ones. The ones that don't have ABS is one brake line.
Who needs ABS?
Yeah, well, if we have to get more, others, we have
Yeah.
to get others.
But how can I get the ABS to work with a non-ABS car?
It's alright,
Don't
we
remember the
don't need-
ABS
Yeah,
part.
take that off. Yeah.
We don't need
Yeah.
that.
We have 6-box
You can
calipers,
just,
but
you can just
6-box wheel
cut,
well.
cut the sensor wire
Oh, there, and that's
and
it.
leave it.
That's it.
Unless you want to set it up with ABS.
No, I don't want that. Who needs brakes anyway when you have
No,
a 1000
because,
stuff?
hang on, no. Leave the cables. Maybe we can hook that up. We can hook the traction control up with the computer. So if
Oh,
the brake's
yeah.
traction, we can cut the car. And there you
We
go.
can. There's another thing. What's in
You can
here?
do a lot. You can do a lot.
All your tie rod ends. So there's 4 of those because we got the front and back. Oh, he's bringing the shiny stuff out.
Steering damper.
Yeah.
Is this
Look at that, mate. Immaculate.
and why didn't we go for this not return to center one with the spring?
That's just what they came with, but also the return to center one's more for a big lift, and it actually makes the steering heavier. This one is fine. We only have a 2-inch lift, so we don't really need the big one, to be honest. There's your bushes for it. Ooh, what's in here? Well, let's not squash the brake lines. Let's move those out of the way. Put them over here. We're gonna run out of tables soon. Oh, that was a good one.
The big boys.
Rear lower control. What's that? Rear lowers control arms. Look at that.
Big boys. You gotta be happy with that, mate.
That's some
See,
weight
mate, who
on
needs a
there.
gym? Just spend all your money on Superior, mate.
That is the gold side. It's the black
Coils.
side.
These are the ones that you set on my poof if I paint them gold. So we want to know if you guys, what you guys reckon. We're going for a gold and black theme on the shorty. So I'm thinking coils gold.
Gold.
Gold. You can say.
But
Gold,
just remember, you got all this nickel plating or whatever.
That's right. It's all gold.
So this has got a sort of a gold finish.
I'll get these coils
You
out.
don't want to go. You don't want to go too much gold because these are already all gold.
That's right.
These are rear.
Where's the knife?
These are rear, yeah.
Rears, yeah. Lowers. Those are rear 2 uppers.
Rear uppers.
Yeah.
And
Where's
that's
the pizza
lower
at, mate?
fronts.
Pizza's
The guy
coming,
that
mate.
lost, mate.
That's-
Pizza's coming.
That's lower fronts. What else?
Panhard. It's a
Panhard.
3-link.
Oh yeah,
It's in one of those boxes over there.
this one.
Oh.
What's happening, mate?
I don't know, mate.
Oh.
Jeez.
Here we go. The good stuff. Remote resis. He loves remote resis. He's got
love them,
Foxies
mate.
on the Jeep. He
Yeah,
hasn't
that's right.
stopped telling me about them.
My best in my business, mate.
Remote resis. It's all I hear. Remote resis.
I don't want to hear anything
Yeah, this
else.
is for you. Get that in here.
Oh, my little flippy flop flop.
Oh, yeah? These are the fronts.
Yep.
Let's open these.
You know that top plate.
Yeah, this should be a bush. Oh, this one. No, the coil tower's in there. Shock tower's in there. Or-
Yeah. That's just for
Yeah,
reinforcing.
That's it. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
So there's your remote resis. There's your dial that you can dial it up or down, the stiffness, whatever you like. And there you go. Can't remember what travel they are, but they're suited to a 3-inch lift, and we're going for a 2-inch lift. So it should just give us a little bit extra down travel. There's your bushes as well. It's all there.
Sweet.
Beautiful.
They look flashy.
You hear all that?
Oh, there's something else in here.
Yeah, there's 2. I thought something was like.
What's the other ones? Oh, panhards. Oh yeah, these are your drag links, front and rear. Wire rod and drag link kit. That's your steering arm. Look at that. Get that into ya.
You're in a flatty mud.
Oh. You get the bust.
Just explain that one. You gotta do that.
Mate, this is a full-time job. I can definitely say they pack their stuff good.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, give this one a slice.
That's all.
Oh my
That's,
god.
that's 2
Oh,
boxes. That's
look
2
at that.
boxes in one. Fucking me.
You have these on the patrol already?
Yeah. But I've got the hollow bars. These look like the solid.
Yeah, because there's no way. That's.
Mate, I told ya. We're jumping this thing 20 meters, so it needs to be strong.
20 meters, he says.
2.8, 3 meters.
Oh, get that box out while I'm doing this last one. And that's
Who are you, the foreman?
No, fucking yeah.
Even the foreman's out.
I've got no tool to open stuff, so we have to wait for you.
What do you mean? That one's already open. Brake lines.
What's in here?
Mate, I think this table's gonna collapse soon. Oh yeah, your brake proportioning valve at the back. It moves the bracket up. Oh, it's coming out.
Hang on, see this one's hollow.
Oh, that's right, because they asked me, do I want the rear one? I said, nah, just make it hollow. A
Yeah.
hollow bar. It's an extra like $100 for the solid. And it's already 300 something.
But
375.
the rear can bend too.
Yeah, I know, if you go over a rock, but I'm not planning to do that.
No, but you're just gonna go over bumps.
But this is still solid, still 6 mil.
At about 100 k's.
Okay, if it bends, then I'll replace it.
I don't know which one's better.
If it bends, then we'll replace it. Simple. Apparently the front coils are going to come in March, so I don't know if this is the front coils, but I feel like it would be now.
It's alright, send them out 2 times. Just don't charge us.
Control drop boxes.
What?
Ah, they're the drop boxes for the radius arms, for the lift. But I didn't know you'd need, oh yeah, for those. To make it, it's basically, a little explanation, let me open it first. This is a factory GQ Patrol radius arm. There's the drop boxes. So basically, on a factory arm, you've got the bush that's back like this. I don't know exactly what it's called. But now, this drop box replaces it and makes the mount lower and makes it actually rotate vertically. Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah.
So, oh my god, this is heavy. It makes it rotate this way, so when it's moving fast, it's not actually wearing the bush like it would on that one. So it's just a better design, and that's what they do basically. As well as lower it, so makes your angle more straight. It's like imagine trying to push a broom like this, or if you push a broom like this against the floor, it's going to go easier. Same principle for diff and suspension.
So that
is now this.
correct.
Okay, and then this arm mounts down here.
So where that came off, that's where
That's correct.
It's going to go there. You zap this up.
And this is your gearbox cross member,
And that goes
or
to
bolts.
there, yep. And then that will go onto
Underneath,
there.
that's
it.
right.
Easy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Good stuff.
Loving this heat, boys.
You pay for what you get, mate.
This is some good stuff here.
So we're just missing front coil springs. They're going to be coming in March. So for now, I'm going to have to use the factory ones. But we're not driving cars till then anyway, so it doesn't really make too much of a difference. What do you reckon, boys?
It's not bad.
Very good, very good.
Good gear, mate. Good gear.
Can't wait to start bolting it up.
Bear with us, guys, while we make more room for the Superior. Holy Mel. Look at that.
That's heavy. That's very solid.
That's it. Oh, look at this!
Yes,
The most expensive sticker.
That's right.
10 grand.
$10,000 sticker.
Like,
And a stubby cooler with a nav on it. That's for you. You love navs.
bullshit. That's you. I'll give you another one.
here you go. Here you go. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking stick you up.
Keep it.
No, don't do it.
No, we don't put it on the side of the car.
We can't waste the 10 grand sticker on
No
this guy.
chance.
No, I was gonna. You were gonna be like, you know,
Oh yeah, like the Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
Like, he's not worth 10 grand.
That's right up your alley. The Superior Mardi Gras.
Alright guys, so that's about it. As you can see, everything's opened up. We've taken up 2 tables. We thought we only needed 1, but we actually needed 2 tables for all this stuff. It's all there. He's got the little king's knife there.
That's
but,
one, mate. Don't touch it, mate. Don't touch
Let him
it.
go.
Couple of
Loving it.
dogs, mate.
Couple of bus ups. Anyway, so yeah, it's all open. As you can see, the next step is obviously putting it on the car. But we've got to get the chassis sandblasted and painted first. So we've got to do that, then it's all going on. So yeah, if you like what you see, stay tuned for more SAS 4x4 content. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.